As Bitcoin races towards new all-time highs, many are dreaming of hitting that $100,000 mark. But have you thought about how to cash out your crypto profits smartly and safely? If that's part of your plan. We always hear buy the dip from crypto experts, but not enough about how to withdraw your crypto and convert it into real money. Don't get me wrong. I know many of you love holding onto your crypto for dear life, but it's always wise to have a plan. Let's dive into 3 ways to turn your crypto into cash. Number 1, use a crypto-friendly bank. Look for banks that support crypto transactions. In the US, you've got Ally Bank, and in the UK, there's Monzo. Both are government authorised, and your funds are insured up to a limit. These banks even offer debit cards you can use for everyday spending, while traditional banks are slow with crypto adoption. Neobanks are stepping up and taking over this space. Number 2, crypto exchange cards. Crypto exchanges now offer their own crypto cards. Examples include the BingX MasterCard and BitGet Visa card. These cards let you spend your crypto directly. No need to cash out first. Just use them like any other debit card for purchases worldwide. Number 3, cash out in a crypto-friendly country. Consider countries like UAE or Hong Kong, where crypto has a more friendly environment. For small amounts, cashing out crypto to fiat via offline P2P transactions are easy. But for bigger amounts, you may need to look into changing your tax residency or setting up a company. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.